Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to make creative text mask poster free. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to get custom size. We will choose 1000, height 1000, create new design. Okay, we got this interface. Now we will go to elements and we will search for letter. We will choose P and adjust its size. We will choose from the element section Paris. We will got many such amazing photos. We have to choose one. I will choose this one. We will adjust it. Now we will choose some another elements. Flying birds. I will choose this one. We will flip it like this and we will remove its background. And we will adjust it like this. Now we will add shadow effect. Let's go to the elements and we will search for shadow and we will choose one of it. I will choose this one. We will adjust it accordingly and we'll reduce its transparency. We will add text. After adding text, we will change its letter spacing. Like this. We will choose some another font. You can choose any of you like. Again, I will go to elements and choose for shapes. I will choose this one. I will convert it into rectangle like this. Like this, we will change its color. I will change this to blue, this to white, and this to red. For background, we can choose any solid colors. But I will go for some elements as a background. We will search in element section Paris and we will get some really amazing pictures. I will choose one of it. This one. I will set it as background. Now I will change its transparency. How beautiful it is. We have made very easily in some few minutes a creative mass poster. We can make many of such kinds. We will download it. Okay, now see how beautiful it is. So for many such amazing contents, subscribe to Creative Hub AJ.